Nagpa-unlock si Dave na ipakita sa akin kung paano ginagawa ang astral projection. At para mapatunayan ang di umano'y kakaibang kakayahang ito ni Dave, gumamit ang paranormal expert na si Rob Rubin ng thermal camera at electromagnetic or EMF meter para i-record ang anumang pagbabago sa kanilang kapaligiran. Bago magawa ang astral projection, kailangan munang sumailalim ni Dave sa deep meditation. Ilang minuto nang lumipas pero wala pa rin nakukuhang anuman pagbabago sa aming mga gadget. Hanggang sa may kakaiba akong napansin sa rehistro ng aming thermal camera.
Around it. I don't quite remember, but when we laid down, I don't think it was out there. So now it's actually outside. Yeah, and his face was I'm not sure if it was that right.
Kasunod nito ay bigla ring may pagbabago sa EMF reading ni Rob.
In the astral form. This is Ryan's. This is a lot darker than Ryan's form. The body is being seen here. But then kanina, this was pulsating, especially when Dave was in the midst of creating the astral form. And then EMF actually responded momentarily. You get the count of 10. You'll return to your body and slowly open your eyes. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Experience, what were you doing? What was your form doing?
Mostly, I was just walking around, but mostly this area na to, para at least madaling mag-pick up. I was momentarily standing here, and then after a while, parang because nasa likod ako dito, then observe.
Yung mukha at yung braso ng image ni Dave para mas maliwanag kesa Rob, and they're just sitting in the same place. Halos pareho lang ang layo nila, so dapat pareho yung rehistro ng balat nila. And then doon naman sa image ni Dave, parang yung that black shadow surrounding it, that aura, parang nagpapulsate. But it's not necessarily a black shadow, it's yun lang yung na-pick up ng thermal camera.
Right where he was constructing this thing went up to 5. This could not have been an electronic interference because if it was, we would have picked it up again. It disappeared. They also started moving, and as it started moving, it also started moving with him.